today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find unread chat messages in Microsoft Teams. If you use Microsoft Teams for work or school, staying on top of your conversations is essential. Sometimes unread messages can build up without you even realizing it. Let's go through the steps so you never miss an important message again. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already signed in, go to the Microsoft Teams website and log in using your account details. This ensures you have full access to your chats and messages, so take a moment to confirm you're using the correct account. Once you're on the main Teams interface, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the filter icon. It looks like a small funnel, and it's the key tool for organizing and sorting your chats more efficiently. Click on the filter icon, and you'll see several options that let you customize what appears in your chat list. To narrow things down further, select More Filter Options. This step helps you target exactly what you're looking for, especially when you're trying to locate unread messages. With the filter options open, click on Unread. As soon as you select this, Teams will update your chat list to show only conversations that contain unread messages. This makes it much easier to spot new messages and ensures nothing important gets overlooked. After filtering your chats, take a moment to review the unread messages and respond to any conversations that need your attention. Doing this regularly helps keep communication smooth and prevents teammates or classmates from waiting on replies. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Microsoft Teams chats more efficiently. By checking the unread messages filter on a regular basis, you can stay organized, improve productivity, and keep your communication up to date. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want more Microsoft Teams tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.